In this video, I will show you how to rotating a secret for AWS database. So first step is that we need to create a MySQL database. Go to the AWS management, search here RDS, RDS management. Create database, select MySQL, variant, the updated one. I will select the free tier, database name, database test, username admin, password, select your master password, write down here and confirm your password. VPC group will be the same, yes, public access, existing, choose existing, security group, same as default, then create database. So here we have done our database is created. Database status is available now. Let's check the next step. Next step is that we need to modify our database. We will change our backup period for 0 days. Go to database, select, modify. Here down, yeah, backup period from 7 days to 0 days. Nothing change here. Go down and continue. Apply immediately. Modify DB instance. So we modify our database. Just refresh it and let's check the next step. Next step is that we need to edit our inbound rules to access from anywhere. Go to the database, select your database, go to the security groups, edit your inbound rules. Just delete all old rules. Delete. Type custom TCP. Source will be from anywhere. Then save rules. So our database is done now. Let's go to the next step. Next step is that we need to create a secret for our database. Here we will search secret manager, secrets manager, create a new secret, select the database RDS, username of your database, which one you use while creating your MySQL database. Admin and password will be the same as before. Select your database name here and next. Write down your secret name. I will write the same name of my database, database dash test. Then next. Enable automatic rotation for the 30 days. So I will write down the secret manager name, same as my database name, database dash test. Use this secret, then next. So everything is done here. Now store the secret. Our secret is created. Let's go to the documentation. So we need to verify our database here. For the verification, just download the Workbench software. Click on this link, download, and download for Windows. Just download. I already download and install in my system, so I will open my SQL Workbench. Just delete old connection. Open your database, RDS, RDS. In the Workbench, I will add a new connection for my database. For new connection, click here. Write down your connection name, same as my database name, database dash test. The host name will be from my database. Open your database. The endpoint name is your host name. Just copy this link and paste it here in the host name. Username will be the admin and save. So I will open the connection, write down the password. There is something wrong with my password. I will open the connection and write down the password here again. Password of my database. Yeah, we are connected with our MySQL database. Now I will retrieve my secrets of my database. Rotating of your secrets. Go to the secret manager. In secret, select your secret. Retrieve the secret value. Here we can see that our database secrets, our username, host link, password. So in the my workbench, close the old connection. I will delete this connection and create a new connection, and I will write down the same my secrets. Your secret name, the host name, just copy it and paste in my workbench. Host name, password will be the admin, and OK. So test the connection. Just copy the password. There is wrong something with the passwords. Click OK. Yeah, connection name. OK. Open your connection. Write down your password of your secrets. Click OK. Yeah, here we are connected with our MySQL database with our secrets. Secret value, yeah, it's successfully done. Next step is that cleanup. We will delete our secrets and we will delete our database. Go to the secret, select your secret, action delete. The waiting period will be the 7 days, then done. We can choose from 30 days to 7 days, so I select the 7 days. Now go to the RDS. Secret is deleted. Next we need to delete the database. Select your database, action, delete. For the confirmation, delete here. Write down the delete me, delete, and the status is deleted successfully.